In the Casio manual, there is a disclaimer that a battery change for the ABL100 should be carried out by a qualified technician or returned to the service centre. But if you want to know how to do it yourself, here's how. The equipment that you'll need are a new CR2016 battery, a screwdriver for opening the back, a pair of metal tweezers, a pair of plastic tweezers, and a thumbtack. Remove the 4 screws from the steel case back. When you take off the case back, you'll see a silicone pad covering the module. Make a note of the position that it's in, then remove. Underneath that, there will also be a sticker telling you to carry out an AC reset after a battery change. You'll also need to unpeel that to get access to the battery. Over the battery is a steel gate keeping it in place. This can be lifted up by opening the latch. What you need to do to open it is to stick a thumbtack into the area where I'm pointing. Use a pair of plastic tweezers to remove the old battery. Insert the new battery and press down on the gate to close the latch. My battery change worked first time and the display was okay, but sometimes after a battery change the digits may not be displaying properly. You'll need to carry out an AC reset to fix this, so I'll show you how to do that. To carry out an AC reset, insert one end of a pair of metal tweezers into the hole that says AC and the other end onto the steel part of the module. You'll know if the AC reset was successful because the display will be reset to 12 o'clock. If the watch gasket is stuck to the case back, remove it and seat it properly into the case. Cover the module with the silicone pad and reattach the case back. Thank you for watching. I hope that this video helped you out, and I'll catch you next time.